Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get OS X 10.10 Yosemite on a virtual machine without ruining your Mac. So, first you have to have vmware Fusion installed. So here's my machine library. Then you have to go to Firefox, and you're going to go to imzdl.com. The link will be down the description. So after we go there, we're going to click on OS X betas. Then you will press, you will go to OS X Yosemite DP2. I'm going to press direct. It'll say you will be redirected in 3, 2, 1. Then it will take you to Mega, and you'll press download. It'll do the 1% to 100%. Then it will download the file. Since I already have the file downloaded, I'll go to downloads, unzip the file, and then after I unzip it, it'll ask me that. I'll say yes. It'll expand. After that's done, you will go to the install Yosemite will be on, well, it's on my desktop. It will probably be in your downloads. Then you're going to go to vmware Fusion. You're going to go to your machine library. You'll press plus new, continue. You press on the disk, you'll press continue. You'll press use another disk or disk image, press desktop. Install the developer Yosemite, press continue. You'll say 10.9 and you'll finish that. And then after that, it will start up, and it will say you can do the disk utility. It will say help install 10.10 or another option. So then you'll press install 10.10. It'll do its whole install process like on 10.9 Mavericks. And then after that, you can, when it's done, since I already have it done, it will look like this. I just have this since I made another partition, so it'll be like this. And then you'll go to the App Store. But you'll have to sign into your Apple ID, create the account. You're going to go to the App Store. It won't say that one yet, so you're going to X out. Then it will add that little one there. Go into it. We're going to press Updates. And so if I search up here, photo booth. Photo booth isn't there anymore. But after we install the update, which I'll show you what's going to happen, we'll press update. I'm going to press download and restart. And I'll be back, so you don't have to wait a little while to watch this download. So I'll be back when this is done preparing the update. Okay, so it's going to say now, after it prepares, it's going to say restarting your computer. If you don't want to wait a minute, you can just press restart, and then it will start restarting your computer. So after you log in and after you set up your computer before we logged on to the update, you'll notice that up at the top it said 5:30 a.m. Right now it's actually 1:20, so the time gets messed up, so you have to change the time when you do that. So we'll say installing one item. You'll notice that it's now blue and it kind of looks cartoonish like iOS 8. I'll be back when this is done updating. Okay, we're back here. So it says it's restarting, so it'll bring up the VMware Fusion sign. It'll have your little loading bar. Then you'll wait a second, and then it will go. So every time your computer restarts up, it will show this bar here, and then it will then your mouse will show up, and I'm gonna unlock my disk, type in my password there, and then it should bring me into my login screen, and then I'll log in. So say completing installation, and it will complete the installation for you. So I'll be back when that's done installing. Okay, so now I'll type in my password. It says turn on always update. Your computer will restart overnight to install updates. I'm going to turn it on, or you can say not now. So if we go to the App Store, let's see. If there shouldn't be any updates. That one's probably there from the, oh, there's another update for Yosemite. So you can do that. I'll do that later. So now you're all set. And I think, let's see what it says. If you press more, Yosemite Developer Preview 3, it will do that, in recovery update. So if we go down, let's search up here, you'll notice that that is now black. So if we go to Command Space, we use Spotlight, we can search Photo Booth, and then we see that now Photo Booth has been installed after you do that update. So you'll see it will open here. I'm not gonna show you the I'm not gonna show you any how to do anything. I'll make another video that will come out soon. Something that will show you how to do stuff, and please subscribe, and thanks for watching the video.